All right, so installing NetDocs on a Windows computer is fairly straightforward. What we want to do is download this file, so ND Office, ND Mail, and then I would download a batch file. This will just set all the NetDocs settings. If you're using the US Data Center, click US Data Center. If you're using the Canadian Data Center, click Canadian Data Center. I'm going to click US Data Center, and I'll just hit download here. All right, so I've downloaded the 3 files I need. Now, what I highly recommend you do is restart your computer. That way, if there's anything running, take care of it. Now, I'm going to go to my downloads folder on this computer because that's where everything downloaded. I'm going to first run ND Office. So we'll just click on ND Office. Now, again, I'm assuming that you have admin rights to install software on your computer. If you do not, you will not be able to run it. All right. Agree. Install. We're just hitting yes to everything. This is fairly normal. This process will also install the prerequisite software you need as well. So if you don't have that installed, that's some Microsoft software. It'll install it for you. All right, once that's installed, we will now install ND Mail. I agree. Install. Again, I don't have Outlook open, don't have Word open because I restarted my computer. If you have any of those programs open, you're going to have an issue. All right, now once this is finished, I'm going to right click on this batch file that I downloaded. Let's wait till this finishes first. All right, so we'll right click on this batch file. I'm going to hit extract all. I'll click on extract. And now what I'm going to do here is right click on this batch file and choose run as administrator. This is all the NetDocs settings. So I'm going to hit run anyway if this comes up. That was all the NetDocs settings. Now I'll restart your computer. Once you're restarted, you will go in and log into NetDocs via ND Office, and you should be good